Hi Colorado, this is Cleat Crocker. I'm here once again in Appliance Factory, Mattress Kingdom. And today I have a pretty good deal to talk to you about. We're gonna look at Dacor appliances. And so if you're not familiar with Dacor, Dacor is a luxury brand. And if you think about Samsung appliances, Samsung is the mass premium brand where their very best stuff is in the brand Dacor. Dacor really is a standalone brand that has merged with Samsung, but this is the good stuff, okay? So I wanted to show you a deal we got on a refrigerator.
Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, the nation's largest discount appliance dealer. Visit our website for deals and store locations near you.
Now I'm standing in front of a stainless steel refrigerator here. This is made by Dacor. As you can see, there's no brand on there, so you could really mix it with any other kitchen without offending anybody with the brand labels. It's got no handles on there, which is great. Again, we don't have to worry about putting this in any other kitchen because it does not going to compete with any other handles. But the main thing I wanted to get across to you right now is that even though I'm going to show you this in stainless steel, this is a closeout refrigerator. These stainlesses are pretty much gone. I don't think you can get them anywhere. But my deal is in black stainless, which is just a terrific color that people have really gravitated toward. And so I'm going to show you one of those on the floor. I'm taking over the stainless steel one here because it's plugged in and ready to go. And you'll see all the great features. But as I mentioned, from the outside looking in, it has got one of the largest dispensers in here where you can get your ice and water right here outside, which is nice. This is a counter depth refrigerator, so this was something I'd expect to see in either small kitchens or more expensive homes where we're trying to have that flush trim on here where it's kind of built-in appearance, so it doesn't stick out into the kitchen, so that's very nice. The other thing is, you notice we have 4 doors on here, so the left and right of the main cabin where the refrigeration is done. This is a kind of a deli drawer here. It's a fresh drawer, and I'll explain that to you in a second. And then we have our freezer door down below. So the reason they build these this way is so that the thing you get the most of, which is in your refrigerator, is right here where you don't have to bend down. And then this here is a place where you can store from the outside. Kids can get into it if you want, but you can store meats or cheeses or juice boxes or whatever, and you can change it to different things for different temperature settings on here. So, but you can also organize it and then twist this around where it kind of locks in so that whatever you want it to stay in a certain place is still there. So it's actually nice. They call it the fresh zone. And then if you go down here to the freezer, this has got a drawer right in here. So you have your storage down below with the divider in the middle. And then up here, you have this, and you have an ice tray right here to store ice cubes. Okay, now, but if we look in the top, this is where it's really nice. I think it's a beautiful. So you open it from the bottom here, and you can see first of all how bright it is on the inside. And this one's actually on. You can feel how cold it is on the inside. But these LED lights being on the front, what that means is the fuller that you get this, the brighter it's going to be. So you don't have to worry like the old refrigerators where you add things to it, and because of the old light bulbs inside there, they'd actually start blocking and getting really dark where you couldn't see anything. This one actually gets brighter the fuller you get it. And it's a nice, clean, bright. It's very adjustable on the inside. If you look here, this actually will pop up out of the way, so if you wanted to have taller things here, you could. Here we have our normal shelf, here we have a normal shelf, here we have a normal shelf, but it also folds in, so again, you can adapt this to different things. And as you can see in the back, it's got the cantilever openings that help you adjust the shelves up or down. And then here we have our crisper drawers. So this is where you keep like fruits and vegetables. This thing in the middle, this is where a filter is. So all your ice and water is filtered through here. This twists and comes out, and cartridges that you can replace. In the door here we have storage, we have more storage, and we have more storage. But we also have this terrific thing right here. So this here is something that will remain full of water, and whenever you want to, you can take it to the table and just leave it there for like dinner or whatever. And when you're done, you put it back, and it fills up with water again. So it's just that simple. So very, very nice unit. And again, we have refrigeration in here. We have whatever you want here. In some of the temperatures, I don't know if you saw a while ago, they say wine, cheese, cold drinks, or chilled meat. Look at that chilled meat temperature. It gets down to 29 degrees. So that's just perfect storage for meat. So it's not getting warm. It's going to stay fresh for you to cook it. But at the same time, it's not going to freeze it where you're unable to go in there and start immediately using that meat. So very nice, keeps it nice and fresh. So this is an A+ refrigerator, a great brand. I think you'll really like it. Now let me show it to you in the right color, and I'll tell you what the deal is. Okay, so here I'm standing in front of black stainless. So this is the color that's all the rage. I think it's gonna stick around. It's been out for years now, so I think it's with us forever. So I think you'll like this one. It's exactly the same refrigerator that I just showed you. And you can see it's $33.99. If you are gonna find it anywhere today, it's gonna be $33.99. But we were able to snatch up a bunch of these at a closeout bargain. And for the Colorado stores, we have these on sale for $27.99. So that's a nice savings from $33.99 down to $27.99. So today is the 14th of July, 2022. So you need to get in here fast while they match. And you can get this at any of our stores here in Colorado. You can get it from us online at appliancefactory.com. So I think it's a great deal. But again, let's take a quick look at it again. Same inside, looks beautiful. Oh, by the way, all that stainless steel you saw at the back, that's there to help keep it cool. That helps it maintain its temperature better. It doesn't just look pretty. But same thing, same deli drawer here in the middle. Same exact thing, same freezer, no difference. All these are coming to you in a box, brand new, full factory warranty, but it's a closeout deal at $27.99, and I think you'll like it.